We started Mobility Auto Group because there was a large need for wheelchair-accessible vehicles, specifically used wheelchair-accessible vehicles. Our team here at Mobility Auto Group is one of the best in the industry. Some of our associates have been doing this over 20 years.
We meet customers where they are in their journey. So partners and independence, it could mean a lot of different things. For some people, it's going to truly mean being independent. For a lot of people, it's going to mean getting out of their house for the first time in years, or it's going to mean adapting to their new normal, where life has changed dramatically and now they need to figure out what normal looks like compared to what it used to.
I love working at Mobility Auto Group because the people I work with are great. Like, we've got such a solid team here. We are an honest, genuine company, and every day I can go home and feel good about what I did that day.
Our mission here is to be a one-stop shop for anyone that has mobility needs. We do everything that has to do with the vehicles, whether it's adaptations, whether it's, repairs. We not only sell the vehicles and rent them, we adapt them to accommodate the needs of the individual. Whether that's specialized equipment or adjustments and things like that, we do it all.
After I purchase a vehicle and it arrives at our location, so all the paperwork and everything is in order, our staff in the reconditioning department goes through the vehicle. We do an initial inspection, making sure that everything checks out. The final point is going to be a detail and getting the vehicle ready for merchandising and for photos, so customers across the United States can see it.
Customers really love the relationship we build. We try to provide them with really good customer service and trust, and that allows us to have a really good relationship with them, and they keep coming back.
If you want to move forward with the deal, we have electronic documents and titling, so you can purchase a vehicle online, get it shipped to you without ever having to step foot in our door.